Hello, I'm Vimal. I'm doing my master's in data analytics, and this presentation is about creating data warehouse and business intelligence project applied for e-commerce company like Amazon. My data warehouse contain data from several data sets: product data sets, country data set, city data set, customer data set, order data set. And data from all these data sets are moved into staging area with the help of ETL. And the data from staging area is then moved to data mart, and data from data mart is moved to data warehouse using the process of ETL. The tool used for ETL is SQL Server Integration Service. The cube is developed on top of data warehouse with the help of SQL Server Analysis Service, and analysis is done on the data warehouse and the report is generated. I have 5 resources of data, and among that 2 are JSON data and the 3 are structured data. I have two databases, product underscore TP and product underscore DW. Product underscore TP act as a staging table and the data mart, and DW act as the data. The data initially got stored in these non-normalized table, and then it is stored to a normalized table called 3. The data then moved to my data warehouse in all these facts and dimension table. The facts and dimension table are presented in a star schema as shown here. The other two ETLs, one is for clearing the data warehouse, another is for loading the data into my. So you can see that SQL Server Integration Service is called the Python code, and the Python code is executing and it is reading the JSON files and loading the data into my data. You can see that the Python code is executed successfully and the data is loaded into the staging table and then to the 3NF table. I have got two other ETL processes. One is for clearing the data warehouse and the other one is for loading the data into my facts and dimensions. So I have 4 dimensions and one fact table. One of the dimension is date dimension, product dimension, customer dimension, and location dimension. And among this, the product and the customers are the slowly changing. This ETL process is explained with the help of package management of SS. You can see that two ETL process which I explained there is shown here is get integrated with SSMS with as a type of packages. So uh, now I'm going to execute the ETL with the help of this package. So you can see that the cleaning of data warehouse is done successfully with the help of this package. So you can see that my second package of loading the data into my data warehouse is done successfully. So now all my data ETL process is done successfully. So now data has got loaded in my data warehouse. Now I have to analyze the data that is stored in my data warehouse. So I'm going to use SQL Server Analysis Service to analyze. So this is the SQL Server Analysis Service. So here the cube is created on top of the data warehouse. So you can see the fact tables are centralized and surrounded with 4 dimension tables: location table, customer table, and product table, and date table. And all these are dimension tables. So you can see that the cube has deployed successfully. So now we are going to generate a use case out of it and answer the use case with the help of. I have got 5 use cases, and these 5 use cases are answered using reporting using SSRS. So the first use case is find out the country with more sale, and the second one is the high and the low sale periods of the company. The third one is the fast and the slow moving products, and the fourth one is the privileged customers, and the fifth one is the top brands that attracts the customers in. So the use cases are answered with the help of these reports. The first report and these two reports shows the country sales, uh, country sales, and you can also see that the informations are drilled to the city as well. And this chart represents the overall sales of the country among comparison among the country. You can see that France topping the list, and these two chart are helping to satisfy the use case 2. And you can see that in the month of July the sales has gone high, and the first and the third quarter the sales has gone high, and the same way on Sunday the sales has gone high, which resulted in 2012 there was a high sales. And to and to find the highest customer, this table helps us to find out who is the top privileged customers, and these two are product and category reports, which helps to me to know on which brands and categories the sales has gone high, and it is also helps me to drill down to find out the product as well. So with these reports, we will be able to satisfy the use cases. Thanks and watching the video.